Why comparison return an integer instead of a boolean? I was testing some piece of code. Then I was expecting. But I got this instead. So, I did what any Python programmer would do, disassemble it. Then it was a bit clear, is using the compare underscore op, equals, which should return a boolean, but it appears that it returns an integer instead. Any ideas why? Edit. In short, the lesson learned, changing the values of true or false doesn't change how the boolean logic is represented behind the scene.
It seems to me that your misunderstanding was in thinking that treating true like a variable would actually change the results of Boolean operations. It doesn't. True is used by default to is present, well, Boolean truth, but it loses that functionality when you changes its value. However, that doesn't change the rules for how Booleans are treated with respect to integers. In Python, bool is a subclass of int, and false and true have the equivalent values of 0 and 1 respectively. Also, _eq_ can return object it likes, it just so happens that for built-in types it returns bool instances.
I think Ashwini Chowdhury's comment on the question is key to understanding why things are not working the way you expect. Boolean operators in Python generally return bool1 or bool0, not the values of true or false. In Python 2, true and false are just names that are bound to bool1 and bool0 respectively. If you rebind the name true to a different value, such as 2, it doesn't change the return value from the comparisons, which remains bool1. In Python 3, this issue is sidestepped by making the names true and false into keywords, so they cannot be rebound to new values.
Here you assign 2 to true. So now true in the module's scope is actually 2. One equals 1 is true. True is equal to 1. You could ask why it isn't 2, as above. Well, true variable is equal to 2 in the module's scope, and 1 equals 1 just returns the reference tag to real true. So 1 equals 1 is a real true which is equal to 1, so 1 equals 1 is equal to 0. Here 1 equals 1 again return reference to real true. But the true in the first part of the expression is from the module's scope, so it is actually 2. So this expression is effectively 2 equals true, which equals to false.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.